9th of July 2021, members of the BHOI District Congress Committee under the leadership of the MLA of NONGPOH and also President of the committee, MAYRAL SYIEM, had visited the border areas of Nongtung under KHYRIM's SYIEMSHIP to examine and take stock of the problems faced by residents of the area who have from time to time been harassed by the people residing in the border areas of Assam. The MLA from NONGPOH was accompanied by MLA of UMROI and also Vice President of the committee, George B. LYNGDOH, MDCs Charles MARNGAR and BALAJIED RANI, besides other members of the committee. Speaking on the issue, the President of the BHOI District Congress Committee, MAYRAL SYIEM, informed that a meeting with the headmen of the 18 villages within Nongtung had taken place and a discussion on the problems faced by residents of the area resulted in the committee's decision to submit a memorandum to the state government of Meghalaya through the office of the Home Minister Lakmen Rimboy to request for a permanent solution to the long-standing boundary issue between Meghalaya and Assam. MAYRAL SYIEM added that this memorandum would be a means of voicing the complaints and problems of the people of Nongtung.
Hukum ka responsible political party ka benta ka jungi ka long bangin kumbangi la sedang madagasngi bani kendu ikini ki stakeholder baro nang ta ka benta ka bakrau ka bangi don bani kendu ikiwe di kithan kum syapo ki bahap po garai marwet ki bahap po ki manung spung kum sya balakhawa sa khanapara nang tahang ni blok tu kumju ha ka banang ni sakmat nak liang jungi ru ngin sa yalum yalang bani perkhat ban shim igini ki views ban ban pensgo sa ka sarkar ngin sa tho da ka jing tho da ka memorandum ka sur jong ki pajba jong ka blok tu ngin ra ya ka sur ka jing kwa ka jong ki sya ka sarkar khanang ba da ka mi ka jing keren ha ka jing keren ngin sala ban pensgo igini ki jing don kam bahkan urlo.